Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to save or export your file in Webpage or HTML file document in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save a Copy. And next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and locate your file folder. So I'm going to select my desktop. I'm saving this file to my backup file right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on Save as Type. Then what we want to do is to come down below right here and we make sure we choose Webpage right here. Once we select the options, next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on Save right here. Then here we go. So what we want to do here, you have web options right here. You have lowless and lossy. What you need to do right here is to make sure you increase from high to maximum right here. This will give you 100% higher resolution in a large file. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK right here. And in a few minutes or seconds, the file is going to be saved or exported as web page, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize my Photoshop right here and bring out the file from my folder. Okay, I'm going to minimize my Photoshop right here. Then I will go ahead and click on my backup file right here. Then look for the file right here. So here we go. So you can see the file right here, and the file is going to give you Chrome HTML file format, just like what you see right here. Chrome HTML document file type. It's that simple. So this is how to export your file from Photoshop to HTML web page without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.